How did a newly independent nation in 1947 become one of the world's most influential powers by 2026? Why is every major country from the United States to Russia, France to Japan and the Middle East trying to strengthen ties with India? The answer lies in India's remarkable foreign policy. Right? In today's video, we will explore how India's diplomacy evolved over nearly 8 decades, transforming the country from a struggling post-colonial state into a leading global voice. Stay till the end because you will discover the major turning point that change India's place in the world forever. Right? Hello everyone, welcome to Global Affairs Academy. Foreign policy is not just about diplomacy, it is about protecting national interest, ensuring security, promoting trade, attracting investment, and increasing global influence. Since independence, India has adapted its foreign policy to changing global realities. This journey can be divided into 7 important phases. Now let us begin from 1947. Phase 1. Foundation year 1947 to 1962. India became independent on 15 August 1947. The country faced enormous challenges: partition, refugee crisis, poverty, weak economy, security concerns. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru believed India should remain independent in global politics. At that time, the world was divided into two camps: principle, strategic autonomy, peaceful coexistence, anti-colonialism, support for newly independent countries, now concealed principles 1954. India and China signed the Panchsheel Agreement. High principles included mutual respect, non-aggression, non-interference, equality, and peaceful coexistence. Initially, India believed China would become a trusted neighbor. The slogan became Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. Unfortunately, history took another turn. Everything changed in 1962. China attacked India. India suffered a major military defeat. The war exposed India's defense weaknesses. And now important lessons emerged. Strong diplomacy alone is insufficient. Military preparedness is essential. Border requires constant vigilance. Then came the 1965 India-Pakistan war. Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri demonstrated remarkable leadership. His famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. India also began strengthening defense partnership. India becomes regional power in 1971 to 1991. This period transformed India's regional standing. 1971 Bangladesh war. India supported Bangladesh liberation. Pakistan was defeated. Bangladesh became an independent nation. This established India as South Asia's dominant military power. At that time, the world was divided into two camps: USA-led Western Bloc and Soviet-led Communist Bloc. But India refused to join either side. This became the non-alignment policy. Now, Kargil War happened in 1999. India successfully defended its territory. International opinion strongly supported India. Now, let us talk about US-India Nuclear Agreement 2008. This became a landmark diplomatic achievement. India gained access to global civilian nuclear cooperation. Despite not signing the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, India also joined important forums: BRICS, G20, East Asia Summit. Now finally a new phase of assertive multi-alignment 2014 to 2026. Since 2014, India has adopted what many analysts describe as multi-alignment instead of choosing one bloc. India builds partnerships with many countries simultaneously, like USA, Russia, France, Japan, Australia, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and European Union. India's key initiatives are Act East Policy, Neighborhood First, Indo-Pacific Vision, and International Solar Alliance. India expanded defense cooperation with USA, France, Israel, Russia. India joined Quad with USA, Japan, Australia, and focuses on maritime security technology and supply chain, reflecting India's emphasis on giving the global south a stronger voice. India has positioned itself as a bridge between developed and developing countries. And now let us talk about India's foreign policy in 2026. Today, India follows several major principles: strategic autonomy, multi-alignment, economic partnership, national security, technological diplomacy, climate leadership, global south leadership. India is strengthening ties with USA, Europe, Russia, Middle East, Africa, ASEAN, Indo-Pacific partners. Five biggest turning points that fundamentally reshape India's external engagement are: non-alignment movement, 1962 China War, 1991 economic reform, 1998 nuclear test, and multi-alignment and global leadership after 2014. Now challenges are ahead. Despite significant progress, India still faces major challenges: border tensions with China, Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, maritime competition in the Indian Ocean, energy security, climate change, critical technology competition, and supply chain resilience. India's foreign policy has evolved from idealism to pragmatism and from non-alignment to strategic multi-alignment. The central objective has remained the same: protecting India's national interests while contributing to global peace and development. Today, India is not merely responding to global events, it is increasingly helping shape them, whether through the G20, the Quad, the Global South, climate initiatives, or economic partnerships. India's voice carries far greater weight than it did at independence. The next chapter of India's foreign policy will depend on how effectively it balances security, economic growth, international leadership, and strategic autonomy in an increasingly complex world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into India's foreign policy evolution, please like this video, subscribe to Global Affairs Academy, and press the bell icon so you never miss our analysis of global politics, diplomacy, and international relations. Share your thoughts in the comment. Which event do you think changed India's foreign policy the most? Was it the 1962 war, the 1991 reform, the 1998 nuclear test, or India's recent multi-alignment strategy? I would love to hear your perspective. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video.